Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alex, and in this video I will be sharing with you one of the easiest ways to generate affiliate commissions from Amazon in 2019. So before we jump into how to do this, let's go over my virtual drawing board here and show you exactly how this process works. So the first thing that you need to do, actually you need three things in order to be able to effectively do this. So you will need a Facebook account, you will need an Amazon account, and you will need to create an account on this website that I'll be sharing with you here shortly. So the reason why you need a Facebook account is because you will need to create a Facebook group, and an Amazon account is because you will need to create an affiliate account with Amazon, and you will also need to create an account on this coupon code website that I'll be sharing with you here shortly. So the way that this works is that once you create your account here in the coupon codes website, you will be able to gather coupon codes for different items and then promote those items on your Facebook group, so that then when people see that item being promoted on your Facebook group and they follow your Facebook group, they will be able to click on the link. But the beauty of this method is that by the time people click on the link, it's already your affiliate link. So Amazon will give you a commission every time one of those products sell. So every time one of those products that you promote sells on your Facebook group, Amazon will give you a commission for that. So let me show you exactly how this works and how many people are already making lots of money by promoting products using this way. So for example, let's visit a group right now that is already doing that. Let's go to online deals. I'm gonna show you how this actually works. Okay, so as you can see here, there's groups with 4,000, 5,000 members. This one has 90,000 members. There's one. As you can see, this one's here. This one has 42,000 members, 62,000 members. So if you can only imagine 1% of those people actually buy something that you promote. Let's say that it's something that it costs to them, it might cost them, I don't know, $20. So let's do here 42%, 42,000 people times 1%, that would be 420. Okay, so of something worth $20, let's say that Amazon gives you a commission of 4% times. So you will be making about $336 a day if you had 42,000 members and only 1% of them bought something that you promoted, and this is on a daily basis. Now the beauty, another good thing about this method is that Amazon doesn't only give you a commission for the product that the person goes to the website for. So if you send someone to Amazon's website and you send them for a product that costs I don't know, $20, but then that person ends up buying $2,000 worth of products from Amazon, you will also get a commission for the other products that that person actually bought. So you will not only get a commission for one product, but the entire amount that that person spent on Amazon. And the reason why I also love this method is because Amazon will keep a cookie, which is like a tracking software that they put on the person's browser, and every time they make a purchase within 24 hours of them clicking on your affiliate link, you will also earn a commission for that. So as you can see, this has a great potential of making a good amount of money and kickstarting your affiliate marketing journey in 2019. So let's go over how you can do this. So let me show you this cool website here. It's called Vypen.com. You can create an account. It's completely free. It's very easy and very quick to do it, so make sure to create an account. I already created mine, and then you can start browsing different products that you want. So let's say that you wanted to start a niche affiliate marketing business. So let's say you wanted to focus on electronics. So you can go here to Vypen.com and go to electronics and computers and office, and you can select different products that you would like to promote here. And another reason why I like this website is because you get the coupon codes instantly. You don't have to wait for them to send them to your email. You don't have to wait a few hours in order to get the coupon code. If you want to get a coupon code, for example, for this notebook here, for this planner, just click there on coupon code and you get the coupon code. Now, where the Facebook group comes into play is that here, let me show you something that I did a few weeks ago when I was thinking of making this video. So I started out with a page because the way that I was thinking of doing is creating a page first so that I can get followers and then run a Facebook ad to my followers so that they can follow my Facebook group. Because unfortunately at this time, I don't think there's a way to promote a Facebook group on Facebook through an ad. So you need a page first. So that's why I created the page, in order to advertise to those people. So then once you have the page, you will be able to start getting followers, and these followers can be your family members, this can be your friends, your coworkers, the people that like to shop online, especially on Amazon. So once you have a few followers there, you can begin promoting products. And as you can see, I did this as a test a few minutes ago. So let me show you how you can do it. So let's imagine that you already have your Facebook group. You already created the images and everything. And if you don't know how to create these images, make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be creating more content related to personal branding and creating brands online that will not only help you to make money in the short term, but you can actually create a business out of them that will help you to create money and generate income in the long term. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to be the first one to watch these videos and never miss out on these amazing opportunities and information that I will be sharing with you in the next few videos. So anyways, so let's say that you already created your Facebook group and you're ready to start getting codes and promoting those codes. And you also told your family, people that like to shop online, to follow your Facebook group. Then again, you go to Vypen.com, create an account, and begin to get codes for your product. So let's say this mouse here. So apparently they are running a 51% off coupon. So let's get that coupon. Let me see. Okay, seems like I already clicked on it, but regardless, I can still get the coupon code here. We're not gonna copy it right now because we are going to first visit the page where they're selling it. So as you can see here, originally this product is $12.88, and with the discount code we should get it for $7.84. That is a good deal for anybody that needs a mouse, a computer mouse. And if you have a few thousand followers in your group, more than one person will probably take your offer and probably generate you some commissions from the sale. You gotta keep in mind that you will not only be promoting one product a day. Some of the groups that we checked out earlier, they are posting 10 to 20 times a day. So as you can see, this has a great potential. Maybe not all customers are looking for a mouse, but then the next product might be a blanket, and then some more people are interested in buying a blanket than a mouse. So make sure to keep that in mind, and that is why this is a great business to start, especially if you never made any commissions online. So let's go back here. Let me see. We're gonna get the code, which we already have, and again here you can click here, copy, and go to Amazon, but we're already on the page here. And if you have an affiliate an affiliate account with Amazon, which if you don't know how to do, simply go to the footer of the page all the way down, and here in this little section called Make Money With Us, you can see that they have a link here to become an affiliate. So all you have to do is just click there. They're gonna ask you a few questions about yourself, your address, and once you fill that out, you will be able to promote Amazon affiliate products. So let's get the link for this mouse here. So I like to get the text links because they are short and I can paste them on Facebook easily. So once we get the link, let's go back to our Facebook group. Imagine that this is a group. I'm gonna be using my page right now because I did not create a group for this, and I already have a few followers here. So we already have the link. So let's try something real quick here. 51% off discount. Use code. Now we get the code. At checkout, click here to get now. And there we paste our Amazon affiliate link. Okay, so Amazon, Facebook would automatically get the image of the product. And guys, you don't have to do it this way here. You can be creative, use emojis. You can use different text. The point here is to get people excited and get them to click on your link so that they can check out the product. Because believe it or not, even if they don't buy at this time, and they come back later on without having to go through this process again, going through your Facebook group or Facebook page and clicking on the link, even if they go to Amazon on their own, I believe you still get commission for that sale because you sent them through your affiliate link originally. So this is a very powerful method to make money on the internet. So 51% off discount, use code at checkout. Click here to get now. Maybe you can also create some scarcity. You might say something like get now before coupon expires, offer available for the next 10 hours, 24 hours. Make sure that well, if you like to create some scarcity, you can do that, but make sure to be honest with your followers. So then let's hit here publish. Let's see. So Facebook believes that we're doing an offer, and we are, but we're just gonna click publish here again. Okay, let's select online. Not that one. Let's type our Amazon affiliate link here again. Let's see if it publishes now. Okay, so it seems like it did publish. All right, there we go. So our product has been published. Now our followers should be, at least some of our followers should be able to see it. Now the beauty of creating pages rather than groups is that, again, you can then run an advertisement to these people only through your ad. But it seems like this one is not, a boost is not available. But there's other means to get people to buy your product. So 50% off discount. Just go to checkout. Okay, so let's see if it works. Let's check out the code and see if it actually works. So let's click on my affiliate link here. Okay, let's go to add to cart. Proceed to checkout. I'm gonna sign in, and okay, so it's 18 because they are charging me shipping, but I'm gonna select free shipping here. Okay, so $12.88. Let's see if the code actually works. And there you go. It's actually $6.31 for that mouse. So they are getting a 51% discount every time a person uses that code. That is how you do it. Now let me show you another cool way, another cool thing that happens whenever you create an audience on the internet. So I created this audience about a month ago because I was planning on making this video, and I was planning on making this work, but unfortunately other business things got in the way, and I hadn't had much time to put into working with this. So, but I did receive a message, and that's a cool thing that happens once you have an audience on the internet. People start reaching out to you. So here, I believe this is a VA of a product owner on Amazon. She reached out to me, and she wanted to give me exclusive deals that I could promote to my audience. And this is only when I barely have about 550 people liking my page. And they're already having me promote items. And the cool thing about this is that they give you the information of what to put. So here she said that she wanted me to promote different products here. So she sent me 5 different products. Here more. And sometimes they give you exclusive codes. So these are codes that are not here on Vipon, but because you have the audience, you're able to give your audience exclusive codes and save them more money. So that is the beauty of using this method, guys. And make sure that if you want to learn more ways to make money online through affiliate marketing, if you like personal branding and mindset and motivation, make sure to give a like to my channel. Make sure to subscribe. Give a like to this video if you got some helpful information from it. And I hope that you apply this and start generating some extra income. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will be creating a lot more content related to affiliate marketing. So if you like to learn how to make money online, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.